Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. And so guys, look at my garden. I don't know what happened this year. All of my callaloo, they seed up so quick. There's so much thing going on right now. It's so cold outside. Everything just, all my callaloo seed up early. So I guess I just have to just pick off the seed and pick off the leaf and use it and leave the trunk of the callaloo. Because everything guys, look at that, everything just seed up. But at least I have a lot of seed for next year. Guys, sorry about that talking in the back. That's my camera picking me up and talking. Guys, look at this callaloo. Is this a callaloo guys? If anyone know this thing, look at it. Is this a callaloo guys that can be eat? That you can eat? Someone bring this come to me and I haven't eaten it because I'm not sure. It look like callaloo, but I'm not sure. I never see this kind of callaloo before. So guys, if this is a callaloo, let me know. Let me come up close. You see this guys? Is this a callaloo? Please let me know guys. Oh my gosh, guys, look over there. My cucumber them. The cold weather killing all my stuff. This summer, I don't know, it's August and it's so cold outside. Look at that, all my string bean and stuff. I'm having a hard time. All the string bean them blossom, but they all dying guys. So cold. And my pepper, my scallion them, look at the scallion, not even getting to grow because it's so cold. Oh my lord guys, everything burning up. My raised bed. Alright guys, check, I'm gonna pick some tomato. So guys, look at the callaloo, the trunk of the callaloo tree. Guys, if this is a callaloo, tell me, because I don't want to eat these things and it's not callaloo. Yes guys, even my tomato tree them. Guys, I don't know if this is another pumpkin tree or it's a tomato cucumber. But not even my tomato. Last year I got so much tomato. This year guys, I'm not getting much. I'm just gonna put these and put them in my house and make them ripe. Guys, I don't know what happened this year. Wow, that one. See guys, look, this even shriveled up. I don't know what's going on. Look at that. See, shriveled up. Guys, the sun. Ah, look at this. Guys, this here tomato not do me well at all. See, they are shriveling up, guys. Look at this. Tomato shriveling up because it's cold. I wonder if they not even look like they're fit enough to pick. See all of that guys? I have a lot of sun. Let me pick all these. And I'm gonna finish ripe inside. Guys, look at that. I don't know guys if you can see, it's so much sunny outside. Even my kale. I eat from this kale already. So guys, my callaloo, everything is a problem. Look. So this here, look. This is shriveling up, guys. This is all the tomato. It's the second time I'm picking tomato from my garden. I don't know what's going on. Guys, the weather is so cold. Even last for the whole week. Guys, this year I didn't get much tomato. Not get much. I can't say I eat a little callaloo, and this is second time I'm picking tomato, and they are shriveled up because the weather changed on us and it's cold. So because it's cold, everything going bad. My sweet pepper them not even bear, then just start blossom. See, the sweet pepper them just start blossom, guys. Look at my tomato tree, them everything burned down. Sorry about that guys. Here goes my sweet pepper. Just start give me stuff out of it. Over there guys. My garden, my rosemary. This year my garden not doing well guys. The weather changed on us. Guys, sorry about my camera telling me that I'm being recorded. Guys, well, I guess better luck next year. Okay guys, So please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. I'm not connected and this is all I get. Some of them should be more. I don't know. So that's how it goes. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't get.